Hello! Like many people in this country, you'll soon be setting off on your summer holiday. You need that break, don't you? Many of you will be driving your automobile for some or all of your journey. Perhaps you are driving to the airport or taking your car to the continent. Or enjoying what is known as a staycation. Ah, the joys of the British summer. You might also use your automobile for special summer pursuits like boating, caravanning, or off-roading. It's all good fun. Now, we don't want to put a damper on your holiday spirits, but before you set off, you should know that more tyre-related incidents occur on UK roads in the summer months than any other time of the year. That's right, you don't want to be getting into a pickle on holiday like this. Or this. So, before you head off, give your tyres a jolly good check. That's the spirit. To avoid the long arm of the law, your tread depth needs to be at least 1.6 millimeters deep. That's about 1/16 of an inch for all you old-timers. Confused? No need to be. Just check your tread with a 20p coin. The outer rim should be totally covered by the tread. Simple, isn't it? If you can see the rim, you might be seeing a bit more of him. So, get a professional to check if you're in any doubt. No, not him. Now for your tyres pressure. When your car is full of family and luggage, your pressure setting is different to the usual one. Check it in your vehicle manual or search the World Wide Web at tiresafe.org. Finally, check your tread for stones or unexpected objects. Easy, Tiger. You don't want to damage that tyre. If you see any cuts or bulges, get them checked by a professional. Carrying out these routine checks will help keep you safe on the roads this summer. And remember, safe tires save lives.